Hello students, this video we learn of the next exercise of chapter 10, that is exercise 10.4. Before, in our first video of this chapter, we learn about the definition of circle, we solve the blanks and true false of exercise 10.1. Then after we learn about the theorems, all the theorems in this chapters. There is a 12 theorems are there. We already learned that. Now today we start our exercise 10.4. In that there is a first one is the circle, two circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between the centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the chord. So let's assume that you have to what to do. You have to using your rounder and draw the 5 cm circle and then 3 cm circle which is intersect, which is drawn like that. Okay, that is not a 5 cm circle or 3 cm circle, but here in your book you have to draw perfect. Okay, so let's assume that is first one is 5 and second one is 3 cm circle. Now here it is mentioned the distance between the center is 4. So that is the first circle center O, that is one, second one O dash, that is 4 cm. Radius of first circle, that is 5, for second circle is 3. Now we have to find this chord AB. Okay, so what we draw, so let me write that like two circle with center O and O dash intersect each other at point A and B. On joining A and B, AB is a common chord of both circles because we have to find the length of common chord. Okay. Now here the radius OA is equal to 5, O dash A 3, and common there is a center 4 cm. Now we have to find this thing. Okay, full AB. We have O dash A, but we don't have O dash B. But we know that that is the also a radius, so it is also 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. Right? Now we have to prove it first for triangle O dash A. Here, so using the Pythagoras theorem, it is true or not? Okay. So 5 square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. 5 square 25, 16, 9. 25, both are equal, so that is the right angle triangle. Now we know that that is a perpendicular line. Okay, because of right angle it means that is a 90 degree. So it is a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle, bisect the chord. Here that is the bisect means equal 2 parts. So O dash is the midpoint of AB. O dash is the midpoint of AB. It means that is AB is equal to 2 into O dash A. So 2 3s are 6 cm. That is our final answer. Okay, note it down in your book. Sum number 5. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandi, are playing game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters. Okay. So circle's radius is 5 meters drawn in a path. Reshma throws ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters, each what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So I just draw circle with center O, arc ends to Reshma, S in Salma, and to Mandeep. It means OR, OS and OM, that is the radius which is 5. All are 5. Okay, we can write OR, OS, OM is equal to 5 radius of circle. Now the Reshma goes equal to Salma. Okay, sorry. If the distance between Reshma and Salma RS, distance between Reshma and Salma RS is equal to 6 meters. And other information Salma and Mandeep. So SN, that is also 6, also 6. So SM is equal to 6 and we have to find MR. Here A and B are the midpoint of RS and SM respectively. So it is the midpoint of RS and SM. So that is the midpoint of RS. So RS means 6. So midpoint is divided by 2. It means that is 3. AR is equal to AS is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 meter. Now using the triangle OAR. This. That is 5. 3. That is yes. So you have to find OA square plus AR square is equal to OR square. OA square plus AR, that is 3. OR, that is 5. 3 square 9, 5 square 25, side chain 25 minus 9, 16, square root 4. Okay, that is always positive. So we get the value of 2a because that is the altitude. So you can find out. I want to find RC. That's why. Okay. Or we have to find Rn, but if we get RC, so we can find Rn. Okay. So OA is equal to 5. Here ORSM is the shape of kite. Kite means what? The adjacent sides are equal, but opposite sides are not equal. It means, and here also that is true. The adjacent OR and OM are equal. RS and SM are equal, but the opposite side SM and OR is not equal because it is 6, it is 5. So that is our kite definition. So now here RCS, angle RCS, that is right angle 90 degree, and RC is equal to CM because it is a bisect, okay, like this thing, okay, OA and OB. Now area of ORS, triangle ORS. That is also altitude. That is our base. So 1/2 OA into RS. Another angle for same triangle ORS, that is RC, and this. That is altitude OA. Okay. So we comparing both because of the triangle. So 1/2 RC into OS is equal to 1/2 OA into. So 1/2 cut RC OS. Check it out. OS is equal to 5 OA. We find out 4 and RS. That is the distance between Reshma and Salma. That is 6. 6 4s are 24. 5 come down 4.8. RC is equal to 4.8. We get this thing RC. I want RS. It means 2 into RC. So 2 into RC, 2 into 4.8, that is 9.6 meter. That is our final answer. Okay, note down in your book. Sum number 6. A circular part of a radius 20 meters. So radius is 20 meters. Is situated in a column. 3 boys, Ankur, Shayyad and David, are sitting at an equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So we have to find either AS, ST or AD. There is on a colony. There is a circular part. There is a colony. On all 3 are on boundary line. So we take A for Ankur, S for Sayyad, and D for David. That is altitude B. So it makes 90 degree. O is the center. Here the distance are same of Ankur, Sayyad, Sayyad to David, David, Ankur. So we take AS is equal to ST is equal to BA. So triangle AST, all sides are equal. So it is an equilateral triangle. And here the radius is given 20. So now we know that the median of the equilateral triangle passes through the center of the equilateral triangle ASB. Okay. Now medians, there is a median of medians intersect each other in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, that's also we learned in our previous chapter. So AB is the median of an equilateral triangle. Here AB is the median. So ratio OA upon OB is equal to 2:1. Here OA is equal to 20. 20 ones are and 2 come down. OB is equal to 10 meter. So now I want to find AB. Okay. So AB is equal to what? OA plus OB. We have OA 20, OB 10. Summation 30. We get the value of AB. So I want to find AS now. So AS is equal to, so in triangle ABD, AS square is equal to AB square plus SB square or BD square. You can take anything, okay? Or if you here ABD, so we take AB square plus BD square is equal to AD square. So we have the value of AB, that is 30 square. AD we have to find. BD, BD means what? BD means that is a midpoint, so it is ST by 2. Okay, why we take here AD? Listen. Okay, BD is equal to full SD by, if we do SD upon 2, so we get the BD. SD is equal to what? AD or D? So we can write AD by. Okay, how we get the BD is equal to AD by 2? Like this. Okay, now 30 square 9 AD square 2 square 4 side change. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1 3. 4 this side, 3 denominator. Got 300. Okay, now we have to square root. So square root of 4 possible, that is 2. 300 means 100 into 3. 100 square root, that is 10. 3 means root 3 square. So now taking square root, so square remove 2, 10, root 3. 10 twos are 20. Root 3 as it is meter. So answer is AD is equal to 20 root 3 meter. So now we have to find the length of the string of each cone is 20 root 3 meter. That is our final answer. So you have to note it down. Exercise 10.5. First one, in figure A, B, C are the 3 points on circle. There is a figure given with center O. That is center ABC points. B, O, C, that is 30 degree, and A, O, B, that is 60 degree. It means that is if D is a point on the circle other than arc ABC, find ABC. We have to find this. Okay. Now here AOC. I want to find AOC. Then summation of both angles. So we get the AOC. Okay. So AOB plus EOC 60, 90. Now theorem 10.8. What it says, the angle subtended by arc. Okay. Here we have to find this angle that is subtended by the arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended the same arc at any point in the remaining part of the circle. It means that angle AOC is double 2 into angle ABC from theorem 10.8. If you remember the line of the theorem, so you can solve easily sums. So angle AOC is equal to 2 into angle ADC. ADC we have to find. We have angle AOC 90. 90 is equal to 2 into ADC. 2 come down. Answer is 45. You got 2 ones and 45 2s are. So 45. Your answer. Not it down. It's so simple. If you remember the theorem's line, so you can solve easily this type of sum. Do it. Sum number 2. A chord of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a major. So we draw the circle. Here O is the center. Take A, C, B, D. That is a point on a circle. AB is a chord. Here and OA and OB is a radius. Here the given that chord and radius are equal. It means OA is equal to OB is equal to radius. That is triangle OAB is a equilateral triangle. So if the equilateral equilateral triangle that the interior angles are 60 degree. We already learned in chapter previous 7 chapter. So triangle OAB, all the angles is 60. It means angle OAB is equal to 60. Now angle OAB is the half of full ACB. Is equal to 1 half OAB. 60 cut ACB is equal to 30. Now in cyclic quadrilateral theorem 10.11, in that there is the opposite triangles of cyclic quadrilateral summation is 180. ACB plus ADB, that is the opposite angle in cyclic quadrilateral, is equal to 180. ACB 30, side change 150. So here ADB, that is a minor arc, ACB, that is for major arc. So angles subtended by this coded point to major and minor are 30 and 150 respectively. So that is your final answer. Note it down. Sum number 3. In figure, angle PQR is 100. There PQR are points on a circle with center O. We have to find OPR. Angle OPR. Now let PR is a chord. Okay, from the figure we can say that PR is a chord of the circle and take point at S on the major arc. That is the major part because of center is here. So that is the major part. Now, so PQR has become cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, we know that the PQR plus PSR, opposite angle, R is equal to angle summation is 180. So PQR is 100, side change, so we get PSR 80. Now, using the theorem 10.8, we can say that POR is equal to 2 into PSR. Okay, arc subtended by angle is double. 2 into 80, 160. Now here OP and OR is the radius, so both are same. So both the angles also same because of OPR and ORP, both are equal. Now, so we get we have the value of angle POR. So using the triangle summation. Triangle, in triangle there is an angle. 3 angles are there. Summation is 180. Triangle POR, angle OPR plus ORP plus POR is equal to 180. That is 160. Both angles are equal because the radius are also equal. So both are equal. Equal means 1 plus 1 2. Why we take OPR? Because we have to find OPR. Okay, if we have to find ORP, then you can here take 2 into angle ORP. So we take 160, side change, subtraction is 20 divided by 2. 10. Angle OPR is equal to 10. Note it down. Here the chapter will be finished. Remaining ones, that is remaining ones is cut for this year. Okay, but we have solved all the sums and all the topics. Remaining one in next video. Okay, here at that time that is your for this chapter. Here it is finished. Note down the last sum.